Hi, this is Boady, and today we'll be reading some poetry about Bonfire Night from the nursery collection Autumn by Shirley Hughes. Fireworks. Hoisted up on shoulders so I can see. We're out late, just Dad and me. And I'm hugging his head in the warm blue dark as we crane our necks by the lake in the park. And rockets whoosh through the summer night, trailing their tails of glittering light, cutting up, up, up across the sky, exploding in stars impossibly high. And golden fountains pour out showers of shimmering rain like fiery flowers. Catherine wheels whiz round and round. Roman candles light the ground. As I stop my ears and gasp and gaze at a lake on fire and a sky ablaze. Fire. Fire is a dragon, better beware. Dangerous and beautiful, better take care. Puffing out smoke as soon as it's lit, licking up leaves, crackle and spit, sending up sparks into the sky that hover a moment and suddenly die. Fire is a dragon, alive in the night, fiery dragon, glittering bright. The end. And if you liked this video, please be sure to subscribe to my channel at Sweetie Pie Dreams. Thanks for watching and happy Bonfire Night.